Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your iCloud account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open Settings. On your iPhone or iPad, locate and open the Settings app. If you are using a Mac, click on the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Step 2. Tap on your name. In the Settings app, tap on your name at the top of the screen. On a Mac, click on your Apple ID in the System Preferences window. Step 3. Go to Password and Security. Scroll down and select Password and Security. This section contains all the security settings for your Apple ID. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option that says two-factor authentication. Tap on it, then select Turn on to initiate the setup process. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You will need to verify your identity and may be asked to provide a trusted phone number for receiving verification codes. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your iCloud account, providing enhanced security.